us the features, Sunny.
We have here a DVD system. Very good. Built-in DVD player right here. DVD, video, track chapter, whatsoever, you know, those stuff. We have our heated seat buttons here. Very cool. And especially for back seats. Because sometimes kids sit in back seats and, you know, they get cold. Once. So this is something for the kid.
Miles an hour and less. If you do that, it'll do a little chirp because you don't want to do the wailing horn because that gets most people angry.
Is it a brand new car?
How often do you have to change a battery on a Volt? Well, in our utilization of it, we only use about 50 to 60% of that battery pack. So we use about 8 to 10 kilowatt hours in a single charge. So there's a lot of buffers and we don't want to deep cycle that battery. Another important thing, it's a lithium type technology. It's a manganese composition, different than a cobalt if you're kind of into your batteries, different than your cell phone and your notebook computers. One of the things that a manganese composition allows us to do is have the lifetime of the batteries greater than a cobalt base, so it will last much longer. But there is a kind of Achilles heel on lithium type batteries, and that is they are very finicky. They do only like to operate in certain temperature ranges. So if your battery...
Supposed to launch an SUV this year. Yes, it was linked
400,000 daw, mate gari.
going to do a big production here. I'm doing a documentary here.
Oh, no problem.
Yes. And cut.